Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Toronto 2015 PDAC, and we are now at the booth of RIPatch, and I'm really happy Bill Howald is with me, and he is the founder and CEO of the company. Bill, thank you very much for taking the time.
Johan, thanks for having me on. It's great to see you here in Toronto.
As always, not today in Munich, now we are here in Canada.
Exactly, yeah.
Well, how do you like the show so far?
You know, the show is interesting. I think it's down a little bit from attendance standpoint, but the quality of the folks that are here is outstanding.
Super, so you had very good meetings.
Yeah, very good meetings.
Very satisfied.
And
Great.
There's a lot of interest, it seems, in the company.
Fantastic, that's always good to hear. Wonderful.
Exactly.
Yeah, let's step into your company. You had quite some news in the last weeks, so please give us a short update about.
Okay, well, we sure did. We've had a couple of news releases come out. On Monday, you know, we announced we have a new CFO, Tony Wood. He brings a lot of experience with him, and we're building that management capacity because as we move the company forward, you know, we've got this royalty, we're investing in Lincoln Hill, we're driving that towards production, and so we need to have that fiscal kind of capacity as well in the company. So Tony brings a lot of that with him, with his experience with some other junior companies, including Prodigy, and also with his background at KPMG. You know, it's going to be a really good for investors and the company to move forward.
Yeah.
We also announced today that we just purchased some land in and around our Lincoln Hill property. We bought both the surface and mineral estate of those lands, roughly about 670 hectares or about 1,600 acres. Yeah. And that's really going to help us, again, move Lincoln Hill forward.
For what is the land important?
Because we need places for facilities, dumps, you know,
so it's really needed for the production.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So it gives us a little more flexibility in how we want to design the mine and how we want to move forward. So as we go towards a feasibility of the mine, we'll be able to then use these lands to the benefit of you know, making the optimal type of configuration for dumps, heap leach, office facilities, that kind of stuff that are going to be needed to run the mine.
So it sounds like you take it serious to go into production.
We are. We're going to de-risk the Lincoln Hill project.
Very good.
We're going to, you know, we've got a timeline. I probably can't see it behind me here, but I think if you go on our website at www.ripatchgold.com, you can see our latest presentation. We've got a timeline of how we're going to get Lincoln Hill into production. And really what we're doing, we're going to leverage the dollars we get off of our royalty towards more cash flow off the mine, and again we're going to leverage that, and we'll see, you know, how big we can build the company. So now's a great time to get on board.
Yeah, wow, super. And also I think through the cash flow you are able, let's say you make the pre-preparations now, and then finally to build the mine, I think it's not that big amount, right?
It's about $30 million of CapEx. So, you know, we have enough money to get us through to the feasibility study and beyond. We, you know, will at some point have to go to a bank and get a debt financing or a loan to build the mine. But one of the nice things about the Lincoln Hill project is it has payback in a very short period of time. So, you know, it's got a very nice internal rate of return.
It's over the 60%.
Exactly.
Exactly.
And, you know, that counts for a lot. It's sticking out of the ground. It's got some high grades at the beginning, and you know, it's got very good metallurgy. So
fantastic. Maybe 2 words on your upcoming drilling.
Sure. Right now we're in the planning stages, but we'll have 2 different programs going on. The first will be at Lincoln Hill. We'll start with a metallurgical program. There's some opportunity there to look at more metallurgy, and we believe if we look at some size, crush size versus recovery, we're going to see some upside to if we crush. Right now it's just a heap leach run of mine type operation, so it's drill, blast, and haul. But if we can add a little more capital and get a lot of upside on the recovery, maybe it'll be drill, blast, crush, right?
Super.
And so that has a lot of upside. So we'll have the metallurgical testing drilling starting. We've got an infill program where we'll take the drill density down to a 30 by 30 meter drill grid over Lincoln Hill, as well as look at some of the upside targets immediately adjacent. And then also at the end of March, we'll be drilling out on our Cortez projects over at Garden Gate Pass and at Patty. So that could be really exciting in that so we're looking for a new discovery, a new Carlin type discovery.
Super. There's a lot coming up, and I think we talk about this in 4 weeks then.
Yeah, exactly.
When you are in Munich.
We'll have a lot of news flow. There's some really exciting things going to come out of it, and so it's all good.
Great, Bill. Thank you very much.
Thank
all the
you very
best.
much.
Enjoy the rest of the show.
Great to see you.
Thank you. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it was Bill Howald, the founder and CEO of RipeEdge. Well, you heard it. A lot is going on, and they are on the path to production. And we will report in roughly 4 weeks, soon, about the new developments and also the new drill targets they have, and hopefully the new discoveries they will make there. And check out the company. It's worthwhile. They have the money. They have the royalty. They're gonna make it. Bye from Toronto.